So what happened today in the court?
Yesterday, all of you knew that we had made an bail application, and the court had stayed the warrant that was there, arrest warrant that was there. Today we had our hearing, and the court has now given us the next hearing date in November. So the case went fine. So as normally, smoothly. So we will be looking, and our team is looking into it. Our advocates are here. They will be looking into the case, and we will be proceeding as per law, whatever needs to be done.
So warrant has been cancelled or not?
Yeah, it has been cancelled.
So is there any fine imposed upon you by the cost?
Yeah, it's a quest.
How much amount?
It's 1,000. Yeah, nominal.
So what is the next course of action in the court? What happened on the next day?
See, the thing is, our advocates are looking into it. We will be going ahead, whatever needs to be done for this case. I wouldn't be wanting to comment on the proceedings now. We'll fight it out in the court by our team.
So what is the next date of hearing?
It's in November. 21st. Yeah, 21st November.
But you are relaxed?
Yeah. We are relaxed only. So we have faith in the constitution. We have faith in the things that we are doing. We are democratically doing whatever we are doing. So it's fine. We are fine.
आयशी, आज कोर्ट में आपको पेश होने का निर्देश दिया था अदालत ने, आज आप पेश हुए हैं कोर्ट में। क्या हुआ, क्या वारंट कैंसिल हो गया?
जो वारंट था, जो आप सभी को पता है कि कल जो अरेस्ट का वो था, वो डायरेक्शन था, उसको कैंसिल किया था। आज अपीयर होने के लिए बोला गया था, और आज अपीयर होने के बाद उसको कैंसिल किया गया है। अगला जो हियरिंग है वो 21 नवंबर का रखा गया है। हमारे जो एडवोकेट के टीम है, लीगल टीम है, हम लोग उस केस को बहुत बारीकी से देख रहे हैं, और हम लोग उसमें प्रोसीड भी करेंगे जो भी ज़रूरत होगा।
आज क्या कोई फाइन आपके ऊपर भी कोर्ट ने लगाया
एक क्वेस्ट है जो नॉमिनल फ़ी लगता है, वो किया गया है, वो हमने कंप्लाई।
Police tried to arrest you from the CPM headquarters, so that whole issue was like the police tried to politicize the entire thing.
देखिए, हम we want the courts and the political parties to be separate. That is what our concern is. That not mix up cases for a political vendetta. We are appealing that whatever cases we have or whatever, let the court have a ruling on it or judgment on it. Not the political parties should be dictating who are ruling the government at this moment how courts should have an action on individuals. So we are complying with the court, we are complying with the law and order of this country. That is all I want to say. But how this government is trying to make courts the weapon for targeting individuals, that is something that has to be critically looked into, and that is something individually also we condemn.
It is a court of law, and earlier also the warrant was issued against you, but you did not at first. So what was the reason behind that?
See, there are several cases that is going on in this court. I personally have around 14 to 15 cases which is going. So many of the time it happens by normal process that warrants are given, but never it has happened that this kind of necessity was there, hurry was there for the police to come in plain clothes into a political office headquarters and to arrest and to say that we have orders to arrest you. So this has never happened. It was very bizarre, it was very shocking how the police reacted, and we have said that Delhi police can act according to the law and order. The problem is that the Delhi police is not acting according to the law and order. They are coming in plain clothes, they are using private vehicles, they are barging into political headquarters, party headquarters, and wanting to arrest individuals. That is political vendetta, and that can't be allowed.
Next hearing you must be personally
Yes.
present or
Yeah,
present?
we will be. Nothing of that sort has been said. The hearing is there on November.
Actually, there was a request from your side before several years to get a copy of what happened on that day. And you got...
We have received the copy
So
today.
that's a lapse from the Delhi police, you know?
So we have received the copy today. So that's it. We will be looking into it and proceeding further.
राजनीति हो या क्रिकेट, देश विदेश की ब्रेकिंग हो या आपके मोहल्ले की बड़ी खबर, सब मिलेगा एक ही ऐप में, सबसे तेज और भरोसेमंद। अभी डाउनलोड करें दैनिक भास्कर डिजिटल।